cat's growling at him.
Yeah.
Melanie,
Okay.
come here for a minute.
Kelly? Honey?
What?
Whoa!
My goodness.
Cat.
Look at it.
Look at it. Oh, you're in trouble. Kind of teaches them good. Look at that little thing. The front. Look at that. The cat must have front claws. Teaches them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit.
There is no other way. We're going to be traveling counterclockwise. That's from that dolphin over here. All that on that other side is the dolphin only area. Look at the cat. Yeah.